What's the meaning of apologetic? Apologetic. Apologetic.
Apologetic. Apologetic. The word apologetic refers to expressing regret or acknowledging fault. It is often used to describe someone who is apologizing for something they have done wrong. A person who is apologetic might offer an apology or express remorse for their actions. This can be in response to a mistake, misunderstanding, or wrongdoing. Apologetic behavior can help to repair damaged relationships and restore trust. However, it should be tempered with accountability and a sincere commitment to change the behavior that caused the apology in the first place.